أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم ورحمة الله كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Blessed climate smart greetings from President of Sam's TQLMA Club, engaged in building Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla powered Al Saadah Towers in farms and universities of Australia, along with the coal mines of Australia, and to delight global residents with gift of Sam's Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin by simply owning one share of TQLMA Pty Private Limited of 53 PGCs, $90, to earn a benchmark ROI of 21+% and enroll in 5,300 PGCs, Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction, to acquire the training from Dr. Paul Olivier and Mr. Elon Musk to re-engineer Australian farmers and gold miners, and by building Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla powered and Saadah Towers in universities of Australia. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education from St. Paul's English High School, Karachi. Got high school from Pakistan Ship Honors College. Bachelor's in Chemical Engineering from Dawood Institute of Engineering and Technology. Got Master's in Chemical Engineering from Wayne State University. PhD in Food Science from Mr. Moreno Urbana Champaign. Did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada. Started a Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, and served as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted to Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA to transform the cooperative of talkers into cooperative of practitioners, to re-engineer 10 million liters per day of milk supply into milk value chain. We are ready now to build Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla powered and Saadah Towers in 1,000 university campuses and farms of Pakistan. We have a 552 acres site in Dhabeji Wind Corridor, where all these livestock will be housed and fed with toxin-free feed to provide us with toxin-free milk and meat and all other food ingredients which our mothers will be cooking in preparing nutritious, delicious meals in our 724 restaurant. And healthcare professionals will be providing healthcare services to Sam's TQLMA Club members. And all healthcare centers will be linked with Sefi Hospital Mumbai to ensure that everyone gets total quality, affordable healthcare. We have also collaborated with LYFE Healthcare in Karachi, and all residents of Karachi can get join Sam's TQLMA Club and get the free health screening done at LYFE Hospital, LYFE Healthcare in Tipu Sultan Road. So all these wonderful opportunities are available for us to make 2024 a productive, healthy, peaceful year for 8 billion residents of our planet. My contact numbers are 923332283257 on Telegram. I'm also available on WhatsApp at 9233537700052. to solve your individual, family, business, and professional problems with money back guarantee. I charge 110 PGCs for a session like this. But for TQLMA club members, the session will be available at 72 PGCs. And if you cannot make 72 PGCs in 53 days, we will return your money back. So pass on this message to everyone and engage everyone into our program so no one is excluded. सारे खुश नसीब ख़वातीन हजरात बच्चे जो हैं जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में मदीना मुनव्वरा में बैतुल मक़दिस पे करबला मोहल्ला में नजफ़ुल अशरफ में रहते हैं। हमारा एक मक़ाम दुआ करें कि हमारी उम्मीद कि हम 2 बिलियन मुसलमानों को हज का फरीज़ा अदा करने के साथ साथ उनको रिज़्क़ हलाल भी मुहैया करें। ये उम्मीद हमारी बहुत जल्द तमाम हो। तो खुश नसीब हुज्जाज किराम जो हज का फरीज़ा अदा कर चुके हैं वो बाकी लोगों को $9,000 का कर्ज़ हसन मुहैया कर दें और 100 shares of Sam's TQLMA high technology companies like Sam's Tobacco Private Limited, Sri Lanka, Zeppler, UK, Masek, Pakistan, and Tesla and SpaceX. So, you know, these companies are capable of providing you with the ROI of 21+%. And आप लोग जो है ये ROI अर्न करके अपने मकान के मालिक बन सकते हैं दुबई के अंदर और गोल्डन वीज़ा भी हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो ये पैगाम सब तक पहुँचाएँ और सब लोगों को हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। शुक्रिया जज़ीला। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यिदिना वसल्लम वरहम बतराम कमा सल्लैता व सल्लमता अला इब्राहीम व आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।